कौन सा लगा और आप अपने वेडिंग के दौरान कौन सा लुक रखना पसंद करेंगे?
मैंने जैसे ही मैंने बात बोली थी मुझे पता था ये पूछेंगे, तो मैंने कहा मैंने बोला क्यों। वो एक बैकहैंडेड कॉम्प्लीमेंट था उस लुक के लिए कि वो इतना खूबसूरत बन था, अपटू था, and I would have loved to do it. उसके लिए I don't have to be a Catholic, I can still do it for my another shoot or an event. And मुझे सारे looks in fact बहुत पसंद है, और of course जो मेरा something which I easily relate to, it's something जो आप जो अंदर का जो spread है, जो inside fashion spread है आप देखेंगे, उसमें से एक look है which is very nice, flowy है, very natural, very candid shots. So that's something which it's very easy for me to relate to. But as Tanya said, we wanted to do something which is very different, which people haven't seen me as, and it completely justifies.
Hi, Ami.
Hello.
So when you reach the top rung of actresses and you're almost there now, you make your choices very carefully. So name any 2 such magazines which make you feel you've kind of arrived now, and why? When you look at covers and when you're struggling and when you're a model or when you're doing other industries, you always say, one day if I am on the cover of this particular magazine, I know I'm in the top rung now. So name any 2 and state your reasons for it.
Femina and Femina Salon Spa.
Oh, but that's a biased question, because how would you know Femina Salon Spa is coming off? I said
Exactly. So how would you know? And how can I name it like that? You're not wrong in asking that question. But honestly, if I'm not saying it just to make an answer, but I don't think if that can set a standard of your success and your choices. I think it's something you come to know more from the kind of, if you're able to voice it through the kind of films that you're doing or not, or you're able to work with the kind of directors and people you want to or not. Of course, magazines, all these things are very important. It's another zone, another way of people appreciating you, and that's another standard altogether. But it is very unfair for me to name 2 magazines and, to say that I've arrived. Honestly, I really don't think that. I'm very happy that film fair. Okay, that's coming from Tanya, film fair.
No, that's okay. Our group, it should all be within the group. But once you're also an actress, you also have to keep up with the kind. Now you have to kind of go to places that maybe you don't want to go to. What I'm trying to say.
I'll be very honest. I don't think that you've seen me in too many such parties or in too many such events. So I'm little. So you're right. I do give voice to my choices in terms of where I want to be. Where I really want to be, I feel I should. I go there, but I've never been there with a heavy heart or someplace or done something which, off late at least, no, why I'm saying off late, because obviously when you're in this absolutely salad days of a career, you have to make a beginning somewhere, right? So, and you will make mistakes, which of course we still do, but what I'm trying to say is that that's why you will not see me, or you don't see me in too many events or being on every, everyday newspaper or page 3 or something. So I'm very little restricted to the events that I like to associate myself with.
Okay, the last one.
Yeah, thank you.
The last from my side is,
I'm very desi at heart. Trust me, I'm still somebody who loves having bread pakora and chai. So I think that's very simple. That's and I think my best friends are still my best friends who've been there for like past 15 years. Of course, the little sometimes you want that privacy. Yes, I do miss that. But having said that, I think if that is not there, I'm sure that you'll strike. Nobody's looking at me. I'm not that important. But yeah, I don't get it to an extent. I'm not somebody who loves too much attention, honestly, as a person. But the field that I'm in, of course, you're totally out there. So it's on you how you want to strike a balance between your personality and the industry that I'm working in. So I think I should be able to manage it.
Hi, Yami. Once again, just now you took 2 names, Hollywood celebrities' names.
मेरी बात पसंद है वो किसी को copy नहीं करते और मुझे नहीं I don't know what is it like copying somebody. I think yeah, if I really like something जो किसी ने पहना है और at least it is something worth inspiring you, why not? इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. So that's what I think these 2 ladies especially, I think they're very original, and that's what I like, being original. And I think today's time we're very lucky that we're not restricted to any particular kind of style. We have access to almost, I'm sure, every designer across the globe, and you have n number of stylists in today's time. You have internet, you have all these things. So amidst all that, I think to retain your originality, your personality, with a hint of course, something like that, what we've done, which is different from your personality. I think it's all very interesting. So yeah, so you have everything, just mix and have fun.
I have a question for
I just refused to, give me, wear those costumes which they decided for me, and I said, no, I'm not going to shoot. Get me first that, get me this, and I went before my backup time. This was the biggest challenge.
Will you share some memorable moments in the
So there were really no challenges at all. When we spoke to Yami, she was nice enough to give us a date very quickly. We figured the looks and we shared those with her. So at the day of the shoot, it went pretty smooth. The real challenge came while selecting the cover image, because like she said, she has a favorite. My creative director had a favorite. I had one. Even the L'Oreal team had a few favorites. But eventually, when we looked at all the images inside, and she's looking lovely, in the fashion feature, beauty feature. This is the one that really stands out. She's wearing burgundy lips. The whole faux bob look is very dressy. It's very messy. It's very party. So I think it just worked there, and really no challenges other than that. Thank you.
My question is to Yami.
Too modest for me to answer. I think, as far as what I have understood, I think what a cover means, of course it means a lot to the actor, it means a lot to me. This really meant a lot to me. But as far as I'm concerned as a person, I'm sure with a brief association, I'm sure Tanya knows, and I'm not somebody, I really don't know. I know it, but I may sound a little immodest. That I'm not somebody who will go out there and I'm a very जिसको आप बोल रहे हैं very trying too hard to maintain public relations or something. Of course, एक cordial relation होता है जो almost सभी के साथ है, but इस level पे नहीं है that I want like we met before on an event, but it was absolutely, I think, wonderful meeting her. It was very cordial, but not that it was on the basis of we'll have this in future. This was just not expected out of that meeting or association. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको इस तरह की opportunities मिले आपके काम के basis पर और that's how